Today I'd like to review for you something that has saved our plumbing. These are hair catchers. We have two daughters who have extremely long hair, and as I'm now in menopause, I'm losing mine every single day. These are hair catchers that actually go in the bathtub, or they can go in the shower, or they can even go in the kitchen. And what they do, they have these grooves on them. So when the hair tries to slip down into the drain, which is, really right there, and these holes are for the drain, for the water to drain out, it will catch the hair on these silicone nubs so that you can actually take it out and clean it, put it back in. And so the hair that has come from your body doesn't go down the drain, and it stops a lot of that. So if you have long hair yourself, or if you have family members that have long hair or are just losing their hair, I recommend that you pick this pack up. It does come in a pack of 5 with 5 different colors. It's a great addition to your home. I think you should put it in your cart today.